Look right over here. The pricing is $110, and I enter my coupon code and hit enter. I can see it reduced to 93. Let me show you how you can do the same. What you're going to do is click the link in my video description. After clicking the link, you will come on this page. Right over here, you will get the latest working coupon code for the NordVPN, and you're just going to click on the copy button, and it will redirect you to the official website of NordVPN. Here, what you're going to do is click on the Get NordVPN. My coupon code that I am providing you is working on every kind of plan, no matter you're going with the basic, complete, or premium. But for the value edition, I'm going to tell you to go with the complete plan because it provides you with a lot of features. So here at the checkout page, you're just going to paste the coupon code and it will automatically get copied. Just click on enter and you can get the same money. It's that easy. And it's not only for the complete plan, you can also save money on the basic plan. So go check out the link in my description.